Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to install iFun on the Google Home. These are the 4 steps. Number 1, we're going to go turn on developer options. Number 2, download Downloader by AFTV News. And then from Downloader, we're going to input this address to download our app. And then the last option is button remapper, where we remap one of these buttons to launch iFun. This is kind of optional. Okay, let's get started. Developer options on. To turn on developer options, you go to settings and you go into all settings. My developer options is already on, but if it's not, you gotta go into systems. And so I'm already a developer. Keep on clicking. Yeah, see, sorry, the Android TV OS build, you just gotta keep on clicking it. Click, 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 and eventually it'll say you're a developer. So now, number 2 step, Downloader by AFTV News. This is an app. And so you go back to the home screen and you go to apps and you just search the app. So it's called Downloader. So with the first list. It's
Results for download.
Yeah, it's this first one, which is the yellow kind of orange one. And you download that, install it, open it. Okay, and you're gonna go into this URL section, click, and you're gonna input this URL, app.anygate.vip/IYFTV. Try again, go. Yeah, there it goes. So it needs the second part. And then you're gonna click 下装安载, which is download in Chinese. So you're gonna click install. And you got, it's not allowed, so just go settings and you're gonna click this to be on to allow the installation from this app. Okay, app installed. And then we're just gonna open this and here you go, iFun. So this app is great because you can watch all these shows and movies completely free, even with Chinese subtitles as well. So let's just open up a show here to show you that it works. Great. Okay, so that's basically it. And then this last step is the optional step, which is button remapper. So we're gonna remap one of these buttons to launch iFun. So we go to home, go home, and basically same thing. You go to the App Store, search for button remap. Just type button, maybe this will come up.
Results for button.
Yeah, either one of these works. I think I already installed this one. Maybe it's the first one. Yeah, I installed button mapper. They both do the same thing. You can install either one. And it brings you to this, and you're gonna go into app buttons. And as you can see, I already added it. I think it's 190. Oh, no thanks. You don't actually need to unlock anything. So this default one, this one is 190 is going to YouTube. So why don't we, so YouTube is kind of important. How about 191? 191, you don't have to buy this. The single tap default is going to Netflix. But since we don't have Netflix, so we're just gonna select this and we're gonna select iFun. So there. So now if I click this, it should launch instead of Netflix, iFun. I just clicked. There you go. If you found this content useful, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you wish, you can donate to me as well on not OnlyFans. What's the other thing called? On Buy Me a Coffee. Or you can join my membership. All right, peace. I hope you found that video useful. If you enjoyed that video, you might also want to know how to watch YouTube with no ads. So check out this video here on the left or in the description below. And if you want to watch content, some of the contents are not available on iFun. There's another platform called Stremio. You can look up guides online. I also have a dedicated video that I made teaching you step by step how to install this software and set it up. However, YouTube will not allow me to post it. So if you're interested in that video, you can join Buy Me a Coffee, or my membership page, and I'll send you the link directly. Okay, peace. And here is a little snippet of the Stremio tutorial. Before we get into the installation, this is what the actual kind of software looks like for Stremio. As you can see, it's a very simple and minimal interface, just like any of these other major platforms.